Then itsure update na spotted si Alden sa Shangri-La Mall. Ayun siya nag-post. Sana all nakita si Alden dyan. Ayun pa, may maswerte pa nakapag-picture kay Alden. And during BYD event, kung saan US brand ambassador si Alden.
Of the BYD. Yes, actually. So, grabe na sir, it really suited my daily lifestyle with its performance, its power, and its
Yung event ni Alden. Sa US brand ambassador si Alden ng BYD. Solid. Ayun yung highlights niya ganyan, no? Mr. Alden Richards. Ayun, nasa stage. Ayun. Ayun, congrats kay Alden. Ayun, mula ng blessing. Ayun, parang the post ng Alpha Pro with Alden Richards.
Of course, maraming salamat po sa naging suporta niyo sa Stars on the Floor Season 1, and right now po, this coming February 15, makapapanood niyo na po ulit ang Stars on the Floor Season 2 naman. So, only on GMA Pinoy TV po yan. So, tara, sabay-sabay po tayong sumaya ulit at mag-enjoy sa show namin, and we can't wait to show this to you guys. So, ingat po kayo palagi. God bless.
Don't forget, subscribe, click the notification bell for my update. Easy picture the action live. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.